In this following video, I'm going to show you how you can verify it's you on Gmail. So whenever you try to log in into some other devices, and you'll receive a notification as to verify whether it's you or not. So when you do that on the main device, you'll receive some sort of verification process. So in order to complete that, all you'll have to do is I'm going to show you step by step, so make sure to stick with us till the end. Now first of all, let me show you when you actually add a Google account or a Gmail account to any of the other devices apart from your main device. Then what happens? Now first of all, open up a Chrome, and once you open up a Chrome, now you'll need to go ahead and tap the add account button. First of all, tap your profile icon. Once you open up, go ahead and tap the add account button. Now another pop-up window appears, so from here go ahead and tap the sign in button. As soon as you do that, it's going to direct you to the other interface where you actually need to enter in the email address. Now enter in your email address or a phone number. For me, I'm just going to go and type in the one. Now click the next button located right at the bottom, enter in your password, and once done, click the next button. Now once you're logged in, tap yes, I'm in. The Google security code will be sent to your phone. So all you need to do is just go ahead and open up your device. As soon as I've logged in my account into other devices apart from the main account, now when I scroll down, you can see there's this option as new Google sign window. Just go ahead and tap on it. As soon as you do that, there you'll be able to see the security code has something like this. It has actually notified that some other device has your account. So click on yes, it's me. In order to do that, go ahead and tap the done button. Then you've successfully synced your account. However, if you have never logged into that particular device, as you'll be asked to press the same number that's on the security code as well as that's displayed on your PC. So once you do that, you'll be able to sync your account. That's basically how you can verify it's you on Gmail. So that's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.